My husband loved this house. We must have looked at 75 houses in Dutchess County. None of them were as perfect as this one, and I don't have enough words to say how wonderful it is to know that somebody's there and somebody will help us care for this house. We moved in, and within 2 weeks, DS was here. And from there, every time I've needed something, I've called DS. They're just wonderful. And I tell everyone I know, I've said this to Gail, I don't know who does your hiring, but whoever it is, tell them not to change whatever it is they're doing, because it's right. They get the right people. We have never had anyone who wasn't wonderful. The hot water heater, Zach yelled at me the first time it leaked because I spent all night emptying this huge bowl of water for the leak, and he said, "Don't you ever do that again. When it leaks, you call us. I don't care if it's 2 o'clock in the morning or 4 o'clock in the morning, you call us. We'll be there." You know, they've been fabulous. I never worry when I call. And even if I don't know what something's called, if I call and ask a question, somebody's got an answer. And it always makes sense. And they always take the time to explain. They're such a pleasure to deal with.